Thank you. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Excellent. You know, it's funny, as I was standing in the back and walking up, I thought we all have one really important thing in common this morning. None of us have any idea what I'm going to say today. No, jokes aside, as Rocky said, my name is Jared Poertner. I'm the regional consultant with Assetmark, and so recently started partnering with Dan and Rocky and the team. And you know, I tell you, I've spent 13 years in this industry, including the last 11 years with Assetmark, working with some of the top advisory firms across the country. In my early years with Assetmark, I covered some of the best firms in Texas, spent about 5 years in the Pacific Northwest, and I've spent about the last 5 years here in the Midwest, based out of Chicago, covering some of the most successful practices throughout Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan. And I have to tell you, I would be very remiss if I didn't mention how incredibly impressed I have been so far in working with Dan and Rocky and the entire team. The level of service and care, the number of services that they bring to the table, in my experience, absolutely unparalleled. Whether it's with independent advisors like Rocky and Dan, some of the larger wirehouses that I've had the opportunity to work with and even compete with, the UBSs, the Merrill Lynches of the world, highly specialized firms like Northern Trust, maybe that you've heard from. So not only are they taking extra care and attention and bringing a ton more value to the table, I'm also seeing that they do it for cheaper than a lot of these other firms as well. So it doesn't get much better than that, a better value add at a better price, right?